Well, it's a pretty good looking cat. Good size one too. But good looking kitty. The fur looks real good. Yeah. Yeah, you'd try to get at me, wouldn't you? You're fully pad caught in that 550. You're not going nowhere, buddy. I'm just fortunate. Catch this cat. It was a remake I just remade yesterday because it had a coon in it. So you're decent, Tom, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah, you are. Let me see that coin purse and verify. I'll have to get after this cat in a second. Till then, Dominion out.